Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 6, 2018. It's currently 10:30 a.m. and we are warming up big time with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior. Notice the dew points though, as we have dew points in the lower to mid 70s, and that is the key to this forecast for today. High levels of humidity with temperatures pushing into the lower to mid 90s, especially around the I-95 corridor here, is going to lead to a heat index ranging anywhere from 95 to 105 degrees. And unfortunately, that is going to lead to heat advisories throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Only area really missing out on that is extreme southern New Jersey and along the immediate coast, say as you head out towards the east end of Long Island. But even there, you have heat advisories out for temperatures, heat index around the mid 90s. Overall, it's just uncomfortable out there and will remain so through today. On the radar, it's pretty much high and dry. On the Weather Concierge radar, not much really going on, but we may have noticed some cloud cover throughout the region. You're probably thinking, Steven, high pressure's in control. How could there be cloud cover? Well, the reason why is because what we have is a mid-level low pressure system right here. It's pretty cool. It's kind of a upper level low sandwich. You have high pressure at 500 millibars, high pressure at 850 millibars down to the surface, and right in between you have your roast beef, or in other words, an upper level low at 700 millibars that's spinning about, not really producing much in way of precipitation, but is producing some cloud cover throughout the region. So this could be pretty interesting for the sunset. You know, the sunrise is pretty cool. Saw it. It's pretty nice. The sunset could be pretty cool too. You have all this moisture in the atmosphere. You have these cloud covers at the mid-level. So, you know, could be something pretty cool to watch for this evening. So let's take a look at the latest surface map. Again, high pressure is pretty much in control at the surface. Not much really going on there. Watch out for this little weak trough here. Could produce an isolated, extremely isolated shower or thunderstorm, basically via the sea breeze front, but that is about it. We're going to take a look at the forecast for Monday, for today. High pressure in control for the most part. It is muggy out there, uncomfortable. Temperatures rising into the upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast and lower to mid 90s everywhere else, with the heat index pushing anywhere from 95 to 105 degrees. For tonight, continued muggy. Watch out for some locally dense fog that's going to reduce visibility below 2 miles in some locations, especially along the coast. Lows in the lower to mid 70s, so it's just going to feel ugly out there. I would not be surprised if some urban locations, let's say Newark, Philadelphia, and New York City, actually ends up around close to 80 degrees for a low because of all the humidity in the atmosphere. For tomorrow, a threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s throughout the region. For Wednesday, same scenario, a threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Watch out for that locally dense fog in the morning. Low temperatures in the mid 70s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, a few 90s in some urban locations if possible. For Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a series of cold fronts will attempt to move through the region. I say attempt because they really don't have much of an impact on the air mass in place. Look for low temperatures to remain in the lower to mid 70s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, with a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm each day along with locally dense fog. For Sunday and Monday, though, an area of low pressure basically cuts off here, and we have this stationary front, and you're going to get a lot of this tropical moisture get thrown up into the coast. And that's going to lead to the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms and more cloud cover. So it's still humid for Sunday and Monday, but with more cloud cover and rainfall, temperatures will be cooler. Look for lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.